my loves? What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ali G, the weird crazy wild child. You already know. So for today's video, it's been a few weeks now since the whole COVID-19 epidemic started, and people have been overbuying and or hoarding so many supplies, from food to Clorox wipes to disinfecting wipes. I think it's the same thing. Anyways, just different name. Hand sanitizers. So for today's video, we are going to be doing hand sanitizers, you guys. It is so recommended to wash your hands instead, but sometimes we don't have access to water and soap, which is where the sanitizer comes in. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So I've got the list here of all the things we're gonna need. We're gonna need 1/3 cup of aloe vera. Here's my bottle, which, by the way, was also hard to find. I needed to call up Smith's, because that's where I bought it, and find out when was their next shipment and at what time. So I went there very early in the morning and I found myself 2 bottles. I gave one to my mom, but I also saw that if you don't have or cannot find aloe vera, and if it's not online, I haven't checked. I'll probably check it if I find some. I'll probably leave it in the link below. But what I also found out is you can also use glycerin instead of aloe vera. And aloe vera is used into the hand sanitizer to give it the moisture. So if you don't have aloe vera, you can also go with the glycerin, and or both. So aloe vera, you're gonna need 2/3 cup of alcohol if you have the 91% of rubbing alcohol. I have the 70%. So when we're getting into the math for the solution, it is recommended to have 60%, at least 60%. So because mine is not 91, I did the math, and I'll need 1 cup of alcohol. And then scented oil is optional. The scented oil is optional. I'm not going to be using scented oil, but I am going to be using tea tree oil. And it is said that 0.5 to 1% concentration of tea tree kills most types of bacteria. It's a natural antibacterial. So we're going to be using tea tree. And then we're also going to be using witch hazel. We're going to be using witch hazel because this is a natural cleanser and it's non-drying. We're also going to use vitamin E. We're going to be using 1/4 tablespoon of vitamin E. With all in all, you literally just need these 2. But I'm going to go ahead and add witch hazel and these optional ingredients that you can too as well add if you want to, or if you have them. But if you don't have most of these laying around the house, then with these 2 it'll do. So let's start making this. Alrighty guys, we have our measuring container that's gonna help us, and let's get started. Really, when you add aloe vera, it's pretty much what controls the consistency. Some people like their sanitizer, hand sanitizer, in a mist solution. Obviously that's gonna be less of the aloe vera, but if you want it to be more of a thicker consistency, you just add more. So it's no right or wrong, pretty much. It's just gonna control the consistency of it. So if you guys see this, it's more of a mist solution. So I'm gonna actually go ahead, bought two different bottles. So the one where you squeeze it out, and then a spray bottle. Probably gonna keep it like this and fill up my spray bottle. That way I have both before I add more aloe vera into this solution. Look at this. This was more of the consistency I was actually targeting, and it worked. So now it's time to pour it in the bottle. Well, there you guys have it. This is how you make your own DIY hand sanitizer. Remember, you don't have to use aloe vera if you don't have it. You can also purchase Glycerin online. I don't know if they have aloe vera. Anyways, I hope this helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Para mi familia. O los que hablan español nada más. Aquí creamos nuestro propio hand sanitizer. Con todo esto que está pasando del coronavirus y la gente sobre comprando cosas, ya no hay hand sanitizer en las tiendas. Así que yo decidí crear mi propio hand sanitizer usando aloe vera, o también puedes usar Glycerin. Oh, this is witch hazelnut. 70% de alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Yo usé, no sé cómo se llama, witch hazel, pero esta cosa también usé. ¿Qué más? Usé tea tree oil, que es un desinfectante natural. Y también le agregué vitamin E, aceite de vitamina E, que el propósito es para que no se sequen las manos. Así que ya tengo aquí mis 3 pomitos. La solución que primero creí fue más líquido, perfecto para si tienes un spray bottle. Entonces, yep, esto es lo que usé. Si les ayudaron en algo, denme un thumbs up y hasta el próximo video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Peace.